YouTube isn't just a place to watch videos, it's a massive platform. You can share your passions and earn money. Millions are already doing it. You can too. It's all about creating engaging content. Find your niche, be yourself, and let your personality shine. This is the future of entertainment and entrepreneurship. Are you ready to join the party? Let's dive in. Ever wondered how those ads pop up on YouTube? It's all about a partnership. YouTube partners with businesses. These businesses want to show their products to the world. You, the creator, provide the audience. YouTube connects the two. The businesses pay to show ads on your videos. You get a share of that revenue. It's a win-win. There are a few different types of ads you'll see on YouTube. These ads are crucial for content creators as they help generate revenue and support the creation of more content. First up, we have display ads. These appear next to or below your video. They are typically small, rectangular boxes that can be either text or image-based. Display ads are less intrusive and allow viewers to continue watching the video without much distraction. Next, there are overlay ads. They appear as a banner across the bottom of the video. These semi-transparent ads can be closed by the viewer if they find them distracting. Overlay ads are a great way to catch the viewer's attention without interrupting the video. Then, there are skippable video ads. Viewers can skip these after a few seconds. These ads are usually longer and can be up to several minutes in length. They provide a balance between advertiser needs and viewer experience, as viewers have the option to skip if they are not interested. Lastly, we have non-skippable video ads. Viewers have to watch these before their video plays. These ads are typically shorter, around 15 to 20 seconds, but they ensure that the advertiser's message is fully delivered to the audience. Each type of ad generates different amounts of revenue. Display and overlay ads might generate less revenue compared to skippable and non-skippable ads, but they all contribute to the overall earnings. Understanding these ad types can help creators optimize their content and maximize their revenue potential. Section 4. Earning on YouTube, your playbook. This section is your ultimate guide to turning your YouTube dreams into reality. Ready to turn your passion into profit? Here's your playbook. Follow these steps to start earning on YouTube. First, create a YouTube channel. It's free and easy. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be set up in no time. Second, start creating high-quality, engaging content. Invest in good equipment and editing software to make your videos stand out. Find your niche and own it. Research what topics are trending and what your audience is interested in. Third, join the YouTube Partner Program. This is essential for monetizing your content and earning revenue from ads. This allows you to monetize your videos with ads. Fourth, promote your videos. The more views you get, the more you can earn. Share them on social media, embed them on your website, and engage with your viewers. Respond to comments and build a community around your channel. This will help you grow your audience and increase your earnings. Section 5. Maximizing your ad revenue tips and tricks. In this section, we will explore some effective strategies to help you increase your ad revenue on YouTube. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, these tips can make a significant difference. Here are a few tips to boost your earnings. First, create longer videos. Longer videos provide more opportunities for ad placements, which can significantly increase your revenue. Aim for videos that are at least 10 minutes long. Longer videos equal more ad space. By strategically placing ads throughout your video, you can maximize your earnings. Make sure the content remains engaging to keep viewers watching. Second, encourage viewers to watch the entire ad. This increases your revenue. You can do this by creating compelling content that keeps viewers hooked, making them less likely to skip ads. Third, use relevant keywords and tags. Properly tagging your videos helps them appear in search results, attracting more viewers. Research popular keywords in your niche and incorporate them into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps people find your videos. The more discoverable your content is, the more views and ad revenue you can generate. Fourth, engage with your audience. Building a loyal community can lead to higher viewer retention and more ad impressions. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create a sense of community. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create a community. Remember, consistency is key. Regular interaction with your audience fosters loyalty and keeps them coming back for more. Upload videos regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Consistent uploads help maintain viewer interest and can lead to a steady increase in ad revenue over time. By following these tips, you can effectively maximize your ad revenue and grow your YouTube channel. Section 6. Ready, Set, YouTube. Creating a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and dedication, but the rewards are worth it. You can earn money, build a community, and share your passions with the world. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, start creating, and crush it.